Welcome back, Canvas Crusaders. Today, we're slicing through the noise with a super quick Canva tutorial that'll teach you how to blur backgrounds in a flash. If you're ready to turn your images into masterpieces in just 2 minutes, keep watching. First up, hop onto Canva and create a new design. You can pick any size that fits your project. Got a photo you love already uploaded? Great! Let's magic grab it from our arsenal in the Uploads section. Now, select your star player. I've got a charming photo of a young woman here. Ready to add some wizardry? Hit Edit Photo followed by Magic Grab. Let's give our subject some space. Drag the young woman to the side to work our next bit of magic on the background. Select the background photo, dive into the Edit Photo tab, and head straight for the FX effects. See that blur option? Click it. Now, give whole image a nudge and adjust the intensity. Slide until your backdrop is just the dreamy scene you envisioned. Bring back the young woman's photo. Place her exactly where you feel she belongs against the beautifully blurred backdrop. And voila! You've conjured up a masterpiece. Download it, save it, or go wild and share it on social media. Did we just add a little more magic to your design skills? If yes, show us some love. Hit subscribe, smash that like button, and join our crusade for more quick Canva wins. Thirsty for more Canva creativity? Well, then our next video is queued up just for you. Check it out to become a Canva conqueror. Until next time, keep creating, stay inspired, and take care.